Which pack is that? Fates Collide XY. All right. Okay. Do you know how to do it? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, they teach them.
Oh no.
Oh!
See, I told you. That's why you do it like this. That's why you do it. Oh, okay. Put it one here. Right here. Okay. Bent spoon. Larvitar. Diglett. Spoink. Coughing. Vullaby. Fairy Garden. Fossil the excavation kit. Can you read that? Wormadam.
Get wet.
And
Oh!
Diane CEX. So cool. What's next? What pack is that?
XY Evolution.
Okay.
I can't rip this one now.
Come on, rip it. Oh, other way. Other side. All right. Let's get this one.
Hold it.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4. No, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, don't flip it. Like, and then you flip one by one. Cool. That's a Metapod. Holo. Magikarp. Dark Energy. What's that?
Vulpix. Nidoran. Ponyta. Oh.
Professor Oak's Hint. Nidorino.
Super Potion. And come on, that way.
Oh, it's Misty. Misty's Determination. So cool.
One.
What's that one?
XY Evolutions again. Daddy, we start from the back.
Mm-hmm. Count 4. Don't. Caterpie. Say it.
Ponyta, Nidoran, Machop, Growlithe, Pikachu, Pokédex, Kuna, Potion, and
A Nidoking.
These are different cards, but
Oh, you made a mistake. You didn't count properly.
Nidoran, Machop, Growlithe, Pikachu, Energy. Wait, they said I love this one, and they said it was an eyeball.
Oh,
So it's not an eyeball; it's psychic.
yes. Double colorless.
My favorite. Wait, Professor Oak's Hint, Metapod, Arcanine. Watch this. Oh!
Whoa, it's a break, Nidoking.
Yeah.
Whoa, I haven't seen this card before.
Yeah, we never seen that before. In a long time, we never get that card.
What's the next pack?
XY Evolutions again.
Count 4. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you don't look at it.
Switch, Kata, Energy, Poliwag. I love this one. Onyx, Charmeleon. Ooh, this is a new one. Charizard, Spinklink,
Spirit Link.
Spirit Link. I love this one.
Oh, it's a Mewtwo. So cool.
Ah!
What's the next pack?
XY Evolution. Just rip that open.
Yeah. Can you count it? Count first. 1, 3, 4. No, look at it. There you go. It's foil energy. That's so nice.
That's my Sandshrew, Ghastly, Magikarp. It's like a party.
Electabuzz. How does Electabuzz go again? It's like a
Party.
nice.
That's what the monster said. Charmeleon, Super Potion. Again.
Nice.
Double.
Ooh, it's a Gyarados.
I love this one. Sun and Moon. I need help.
Which one is this?
Sun and Moon.
Sun and Moon.
Ugh. Not gonna show.
Hariyama.
Oh, that's a nice move.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell us what they are?
Guabin. I don't know this one.
That's Roggenrola.
Roggenrola, Litten, Cosmog, Psyduck, Pikamoo,
Pikamuku.
funny name,
Kokorok.
Kokowok.
Krokorok. Rainbow energy. That's so cool.
Wait, at the Pokemon TCG, how to play, they showed this card.
Yeah.
I love this one. Wait, I think that was it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Rainbow energy was the rare here?
Wait, I think that was it.
No, I don't think we got a rare. Maybe rainbow energy was the rare.
Yeah.
No, not even. Oh well.
Oh well, that's... Guys, if you want to watch more Pokemon videos, hit that big thumbs up. And hit that big subscribe button and you want to watch more Pokemon videos.